Please. Come on, please, please, please. Shy bee! 2 royal jellies and I get a shy bee. Okay, that's good. Wait, is there anything else that I need a royal jelly that... Well, there's a rage bee, but rage bees give the rage ability and I need that. What should I do? This is gonna feel very bad, but I'm gonna have to... Okay, what one do I have more of? So I've got 5. That's quite a lot. I think I'm just gonna have to royal jelly it. Oh, no. That felt horrible. Yes, 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 yes. Finally, Diamond Bee. Finally. Finally, yes. Finally, yay. Yes. I'm gonna royal jelly another baby bee because it is a legendary, but it gives baby love and that doesn't stack. So, and it gives it all at the same time. So there'll be like 4 popping up and it would only benefit for 1. So Riley, Bomber, Cool, Hasty, Looker, Cool, Stubborn, Bomber, Bumble, Bomber, Shot. So I got a shy, then I got a diamond, then I got a shy again. I don't think I'm gonna get any more from just 9, so that was amazing. Where is that amazing bee that I now have? There you are. Wait, there you are. Finally. Hey guys, my name's Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we are playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator and I've completed Smart Not Hard. So, got field boosters and I'd also like to give you a pouch of glitter. I really need glitter because I don't really have much of it, I only have 1 glitter. If I go to my inventory. 1 glitter and boom, now 2 glitters. 9 tickets, so that's going to be really good, and a lot of honey. But look, I now have 42 million and a lot of tickets, and let's talk to him again. Understanding people is way more complicated than understanding machines. Yeah, because different languages. Yeah, the translator. This experiment, wait, what? Is this the last one? There. Oh, 50 ants. 25 types of bees, yeah. I'm on to the quest when I finally do this. I have the hotshot badges. Oh yeah, because I was thinking of, it was about ace badges. This is amazing. It's just the ingredients with the blender thing. I like doing the gumdrops, but that uses treats. And how much do I have of the good treats? It's the pineapples that are annoying. I can do the strawberries and blueberries, but not those annoying pineapples. So, not gonna do that. I could have made fruit extract if I saved 1 more jelly. And epic sprout, and then enzymes is that. I can't do any of those, so then I can do that. I can do that, but I don't want to use any of my gumdrops. and I don't have a seedling thing. And then that uses 100 of that, yeah. So I guess I'm just gonna have to keep doing this. And I can only do 7. And how long is that gonna take? 35 minutes. Oh, by the way, I have 111 moon charms that I've been saving for when I'm doing a video. But as you've just seen, like I just did a couple, like a minute or two ago, I did this little, because whenever I have like a big stack of royal jellies, I still record it just in case anything good happens, and of course something good did happen. Firstly, I got a shy bee, and then I had to royal jelly a baby bee, but then I got my finally diamond bee, and then I royal jellied another baby bee, and it turned into another shy bee. So boom. That's funny. As soon as I pushed it, the vicious bee died. I am magic. So also the bond from treats goes down. It changes honeypot pollen to bond from battle. But it gives me the container space. So 1,293,000 to there, it changed. 1,350,000. My heart just sank because when it didn't do like the when it didn't change the thing, I was like, wait, did I accidentally push not replace button instead of the replace one? And I felt so but then it changed. So I guess I'll get, if I go to the, why can't I jump as high? I feel like I can't jump as high. Don't know why. Can't jump as high. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering why aren't you spending your money on something like the, the Mondo belt bag or the beekeeper's mask, which I actually can craft right now. Or I could do that, which I can craft as well right now, but no, I'm not going to do that. This is what I'm saying. Oh. Okay, this is what I'm saving up for. Did it go up in price? I thought it was just 100 million. It's 150 million. Okay, that's actually going to take a little bit longer. I think I might just buy the beekeeper's boots. But then it uses those ingredients as well. The beekeeper's mask would be good. How much glue do I have? Okay, I got 4 and I'll use 3. Then 5, 9. What one do you think's better? Because like I actually still only have the first helmet, and then I have the second one of this. I think 3. No, what should I? I'm not going to. I'm holding out on that. Because the main reason I was coming up here is for the field booster. Please, pumpkin patch. I actually have never gotten a pumpkin patch boost with this little picture. So that picture looks cool, but I'm working on this right now. Actually, I'm going to do the ant challenge, because I actually have 10 ant passes, which is annoying me because that means I can't collect a new one from there every time. Boom. Okay, so kill those army ants and normal ants. And get all that up. seems like they're a lot faster than usual. Okay, come on. Round 3, score of 15. Come on. Sprout is weird. Imagine if it could put a sprout in this field. That'd be cool, but sort of annoying at the same time. Okay, yeah, giant ants. I don't like it when giant ants are really close. Yeah, so I've done 14 out of 50 ants already. Actually, now that I'm thinking, the ants won't really be as hard. Let's just do like that score 50 in one go, that's hard. Because the one right at the bottom, if you don't count mission for mushrooms, since I can't hand it in until I do all these star jelly quests, is Colossal Combat, which is 10 giant ants, which I just completed, and a score of 50, which is really annoying because I'm not good at doing that. Wait, does it not count? I don't think it counts for the, if I get a different type of ant, it won't count for this quest. It has to be ants. It can't be like fire ants or flying ants or whatever. Because look, I'll kill a flying ant. Right? Wait, maybe it does count. I don't know. No, it doesn't count. I just checked. Yeah, it doesn't count. Because it was at 22, and then 4 things came in, and it only went up to 24. Oh, this gets really annoying when it does all of this. Come on, I don't want to die. Really don't want to die. No, Silver. I only got a 43. That's not good. Yes, so wait, the new one goes up in white pollen but down in red pollen, plus it gets rid of the conversion rate. So obviously you're gonna keep the old. So, let's do. Guess I'm just gonna have to. I'll see you guys soon when I've done more of the dandelion field part. Oh, I just realised it also says something about token link tokens. So, token link tokens. So I need to get. I've got 13 out of 250 of these ones. The one that just disappeared. I'll try and find one. You probably know what it is. And the really helpful one, this one. And then if you get, disappeared before I could use it. Yes, so if I do that, then it links to all the other ones, and then 14 now. So see, Honeystorm. I wonder how crazy the Honeystorm would be if all 6 people on the server were both, like, they all could use the Honeystorm thing, and they all used it at the exact same time. So it would say, blah blah blah, summon Honeystorm for 6 different ones. And how much honey do you think we could get onto the fields? I want to try that sometime, but I don't think we could do it with the server, since someone has only 1 bee, plus that person only has 1 gift, legendary. But in case you, for some reason, skipped the starting part, like the part before the, hey guys, my name is Laser, look, Diamond Bee. And it's nearly a level 8. Diamond Bee likes blueberries? Blueberries? Yep. blueberry. Oh. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, because it's actually spending some of my things that I would be using for crafting, but I don't care. By the way, another reason I really want to record right now is because, unfortunately, if you didn't get that, it just ended today, exactly today. Actually, wait, because I'm actually making this video at 6 o'clock, Tuesday 14th of May, but it's not going to be going out then. But that's the day it ended. So, all the plastic egg locations, remember those, have been replaced with you found 3 tickets. And then, so that changed from 275 to 277. I can grab this, and it will make me run faster all the way over to the honeybee, which is another egg location. But you don't really need to know that because the eggs aren't even there for the egg hunt because egg hunt finished. So if you didn't actually get it and get this amazing egg on your face, then you missed out. And then obviously the last one is over here. If you do this maze, someone's actually going into the maze right now. Yeah, so this way, remember this had like the jelly beans? It still does, but the egg, like, remember how there was that man there? Apparently that was like the man that created Egg Hunt or something or whatever, and now he's gone because Egg Hunt's gone. Or something like that. That's what I've been told anyways. And then if I go this way, which someone actually just did, was just doing this, that way's still dead end, nothing. But this way, probably another 3 tickets, probably just the 3. 5, okay. So now I've got 285. That's good. That's very good. Okay, come on. How do I escape this place? No, not through there. Wait, is it through there? No. Wait, yes, down here. Yeah, so what are all the abilities that my amazing Diamond Bee has? So, it's got the blue boost, so that's good, and then the honey gift plus. So, 1,000 honey per level B. So it's a level 8, so that means 8,000 honey. Not really that good for someone like me, but there's still honey. And then it obviously does 1,000 honey in 4 seconds, which is the main reason it is good. Earlier, I was just about to say see you guys soon when I've done more dandelion, and then a honeystorm came, and I was just about to say see you guys soon, and then another honeystorm. Yes, so I'm going to see you guys soon after this, unless for some reason like a stick bug challenge comes up now. Oh, by the way, off camera I did a stick bug challenge, and remember how it was like 82,000 was my high score? Well, now it is like 176,000 or something like that. I get the gumdrops. Okay, so see you guys soon. Okay guys, I'm not joking. In the past time I've been away, like not been recording, which isn't really that long, we've had like 1, 2, 3 honeystorms. Oops. We've had 3 honeystorms, not counting the one that happened just before I stopped recording. We've had 3. So for some reason honeystorms are really popular right now. So popular. Oh, treat. So popular that I'm going to do one. So look, I got 8,000 honey from a honey gift plus, which is probably from my diamond bee. Kill the rhino, beetle and ladybug. The link token's really helpful for that because it'll just collect them all. Summon a honeystorm. This is like the 6th one on the server in like 10 minutes. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Get the honey and a random treat. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna see you guys soon again. I just can't believe, like, a couple of episodes ago I was like really bad at doing the quests and stuff, and now I'm on the last one for the translator. Comment down below who you think I'm going to give it to. Am I going to give it to Stickbug, Riley Bee or Bucko Bee? Actually, I've already told you, so you don't need it. I've already told you I'm giving it to Bucko Bee. Because Bucko Bee is my favourite bee. Like, my favourite NPC out of them. Actually, Honeybee is, but like, you don't need a translator for him. So, see you guys soon. By the way, there's been a code just released today, and it actually has to do with the dandelion field, which is amazing. So, because they had to shut down the servers to get rid of the, the egg hunt, there's a code called reboot code. So, that's not how I spell it. Reboot code. So what you get is Wealth Clock 5, or times 5, an hour of conversion boost, Dandelion Field times 5, Cactus Field times 1, and a micro converter. So boom. So also I think I might have a Wealth Clock due over here, so I'm gonna get another 5 tickets. – 11 more minutes. So, I'm just checking to see what other codes are here. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys soon, and it's gonna be a lot better now with the amazing 5 times boost on this field. Look how much faster it's going, and I'm not even hitting that one or this or. Okay, so see you guys soon. Okay, I just used one of those things, and I have a lot of pollen container full of notices on my screen. So this is going to be me emptying my backpack with a diamond bee finally. Is this a lot faster? That's definitely. Yes. That's what I need. Yes. For some reason I sound really like exaggerating for some reason, like sarcastic, but dude, that's a lot faster. Thanks so much, Diamond Bee. Thank you so much, Diamond Bee. Okay, this thing just spawned a moon sprout, and it's quite low level. Like, compared to like the 5 million ones, actually 5 million is how much I need for Dandelion Quest. But this is very low compared to some other ones. Very low compared to some other ones. Someone else is here now, but they're not as good as me. They have the scythe, but they have a Rorus backpack. And, okay, Ceratoris. Okay, that's them. They're alright. They have diamond bees. They have like 2 or 3. Ooh. I don't think they have any event bees though. Yeah, they have some gifted bees. 3 of them, but nah. Okay, so it's quite high now. Boom. Okay, so I only just got... I'm really good at quests now because I only just got this, like, a little bit over 23 minutes ago. And I'm already... Well, obviously I've done the first 2, but I've done 66 out of 250 on that. I'm, like, around halfway on the dandelion part. Obviously the blender part's gonna take a while, but... But yeah, and then the ants, I'm like halfway done. So yeah. If I grab that, that should be good. It's definitely not gonna finish it off, but if I do this, come on. And I'm exactly halfway now. Well, not exactly anymore because it goes so fast. But come on, where's the moon charms? Because moon charms are like the main reason you're doing a moon sprout. You don't try to do a moon sprout just for the little honey tokens or the treat tokens. You do it for the... Oh, I only got like 2. Maybe 3 if I can get this one. Oh. Maybe, oh, no. Okay. So I got like 2, that's okay, but see you guys soon. Another honeystorm. Wow. One of the parts of the episode title was going to be called, So Many Honeystorms. It's going to be, the title will probably be something like, the majestic diamond bee plus so many honeystorms, because I keep getting honeystorms. This is like the 8th or 9th one. So, oh, my field booster ran out at around 4 million. I still need 1 million more, but I can get around 1 million pretty easily, because without a field booster. And even if I don't have a field booster, I'll probably at least get like a 1 times 1 time, hopefully, from the thing. So, boom. 5 tickets from the wealth clock. So, I think this is the end of this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can. I am in a crown right now in the Royal Jelly dispenser. So goodbye. Well, I just want the diamond bee to go up in the screen because this is about the diamond bee in this episode, right? Where's diamond bee? Just move a little bit. Move my character a little bit. Okay, bye. Oh.